All right, so we got this, right? This is the massager that's all over TikTok and YouTube. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up and see what's in here. Cha-ching! All right, you get a cord, you need that, but you don't get a charging block. You got to get one, right? Just pop her out. Just basically one piece. It does come with some instructions, which you probably should read, and I highly recommend reading this. You can do a screenshot, but you need to know all of these things. And that's basically what comes in there. You get this, and you get this. That's it. So before you can use it, you got to plug her in. So it's a USB-C, right? USB-C goes right in here. And then you need your charging block right here, and you got to plug it into the wall. And then let it charge up. It probably takes a couple hours to charge up before you can use it, okay? So we'll go ahead and plug her in, and then we'll come back and try it out. How's that sound? All right, so we're just gonna plug it in here, and then we'll just let it sit there, and we'll come back and try it out. You can see it's charging right now. It's got a little red thing there. I think that'll probably either go out or turn green or go off. We'll just have to wait and see what it does. Come back in a couple hours and look at it. So it does come with this booklet. Probably a good idea to read it. It's in Chinese and English, so you do have English. It gives you a bunch of information. You need to read this. Do not hurt yourself with this thing. All right, so we'll do that, and then we'll come back and check it out. So now I'm gonna try it. Christine says yes. All right, so now I guess I could just go like that, right? Or do I have to do it like that?
Or just hold on to the...
All right, so I'm doing this, look. Got it hooked in. Get my hair out of it. And now, do I have it on right? Did I put it on right?
Yeah.
All right, so I just hit this, right? Anything here, just hold it. You got to hold it, right?
Yeah, hold it. Then you'll see the light.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. All right. Woo. It's getting in there. So if you pull on it like this, you get a little bit more oomph. Oh, yeah. You got to kind of move it around a little bit. It's kind of right on my... You don't want to pop that artery in your neck.
Yeah.
That would not be good. That would be bad for this stock of this company. All right, I'm going to turn around so you can see it. Check it out. Get my hair out of the way. My bald head. So yeah, feeling pretty good. Yeah, so if you pull it like this, I'm pulling way down on it. I'm gonna try one of the other settings. Let's go to the top one. Oh, it's going faster. Yeah, that's it. I like it. So I did that one. Let's do this middle one. So they tell you don't wear necklaces and don't lay on it because I think it could be a little bit bigger. Like the squeezer parts would be better if they were a little bit farther apart because it's kind of grabbing my neck a little bit. Here we go. I mean, definitely works. So I did the top one, middle one. Let's do this one. So each one there's like 3 settings. I want to get it lower on my neck. This one's like going, whoa, shit. That wasn't good. It just like completely, look, here's the things. I'm going to show you what they look like. All right. So right now I'm on this one right here. See what it's doing? So I'm going to go to the second one. You ready? So if I do the second one, see how it changes a little bit? All right, I'm going to do the third one. You ready? See, it's up, 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 up. You can hear it. All right, let's go to the second one. I don't know, maybe it does it. This is what it's doing on your neck. All right? And this is the start button. So when I press this, watch. Nothing happens. But if I hold it, it stops. Now to start it, I gotta hold it too. Then you see the light comes on?
Does that matter though?
And it's going really slow. So that's what it does on your neck. Gotta get it on there like that. I think you could even just do it like this if you wanted to without even doing it behind your neck. I mean behind your back. But it says don't wear a necklace and don't lay on it because I guess it could hurt you. You know, if you have super big traps, if you're a big muscle guy, it may be different. Like I'm just holding it tight.
You're the cleanest person I've ever met.
Ooh.
My grandma did.
I've overpacked.
Oh, that does feel good. I gotta say. Oh man, it's getting right in there. If I push my head back, it pushes it down a little bit.
You might need room to bring presents back.
See if I can get a better view of it here for you. See that? Oh.
I don't. I don't. I really didn't know.
Let's see if I can get a bit view for you here.
Does it work for you or no?
Well, the problem is I can't, it's like really high. I can't get it to get a little bit lower on my shoulders. And it's really, it's basically like a neck thing, like your traps and
Here,
neck.
and then this.
Yeah, it doesn't
that's
really,
Only for neck.
yeah. I'm just like pulling it, like trying to position it.
Yeah.
I mean, it feels good. Like if I hold it really tight like this, it's good. Then I can change it.
But it's only for neck and this.
Just your traps, yeah.
That's the only thing it reaches.
I'm trying a different setting now. Ooh, now it's really squeezing. Oh, it's getting this side really good. Ooh,
Just want this
wow.
beer
Oh my God.
toasted. I don't want to be solvers.
Oh yeah. Woo. Yeah, I think it's worth it.
Later. This? No, it's not gonna.
Try to keep your hair out of there, otherwise it'll
Yeah.
yank it out of your head.
We'll see if that's.
See if you can see it going. See that? See how it's just working that trap. Good. So if you got tight traps,
And then
oh,
here.
it's definitely a neck thing.
So yeah, as soon as Nana texts you, that's the priority today.
That's it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.